Okay, so this is a video of just explaining your summative task assessment sheet. So your task for this unit is called Radical Rides. So you'll work in groups of 3 to 4 to help Dreamworld create a larger crowd by creating a new radical ride. You'll create a prototype using the design process and EV-free robots. So I've add some links to your ebook, which demonstrates the use of EV-free robots through creating theme park rides. So after you create your radical ride, you will then create a 1-minute video ad to pitch your new ride. So throughout the unit, we'll be talking about language features and design aspects and elements of a persuasive text. So at the end of this unit, each group's ride will be combined into one theme park where you will showcase your ride to parents and other students in the school. Okay, so I have examples of advertisements on your in your ebooks on your iPad. So as you can see by the examples I've put on there, most of the ads don't go for a minute. Most ads on TV usually go for around 20 to 30 seconds. So if your ad turns out to be that long, that's fine. I would suggest a maximum of 1.5 minutes, because the longer the ad goes, the more time they have to pay the TV, so it's not really realistic to have a 5-minute ad. Okay, so what you will be doing in groups. So the 3 to 4 groups will be determined by me before we start, and you'll be working with these groups throughout the unit. So what you're going to do is view existing rides in theme parks all over the world, and then you'll choose the theme that you want your product to express to your target audience. So for example, there's an Angry Bird ride advertisement on your ebooks, and this ride has a theme of family. So if you were creating a family theme, you would create rides that had fun things that will appeal to a young audience, such as cartoons, and then you would have something that also appeals to family, so maybe family, children smiling together, as they do have in that ad. So we'll talk about more of this semester. So you'll plan the structures. So we're going to view the existing rides and theme parks all over the world. So after we've chosen our theme, we're going to construct a prototype using EV-free robots. So when we're constructing this using the design process, we're going to include photos, drawings, and graphics of your design, and you will collect this evidence through your ebook. You're going to then in groups plan the structural features of the advertisement around the chosen theme. So you're going to consider safety, cost effectiveness, public appeal. So you're then going to plan the text and select words to make sure the advertisement targets the audience, influence the readers to accept the product theme, and persuades the reader, well, in this case viewer, to buy the product. Choose design elements that engage and persuade your audience. For example, the survey taken at Dreamworld. So in the survey you may have a question such as, would you like a ride that is safe, family friendly, and exciting? And you might have 100% response of yes. So in your ad you can put we have 100% response that everyone will like this safe, fun ride. Okay, so it's up to you how you use those design elements to engage and persuade the audience. So after that, you're going to plan and write a cohesive advertisement description. So you're going to have to remember to include the location of your theme park ride, the appropriate descriptive language, and sentence structure to persuade the viewer. So it is important, this step, the plan and write a cohesive advertisement description, because you'll receive feedback from me and then it will frame your advertisement. So you will use this description to plan out how you will record your advertisement. You're then going to use iMovie tools on your iPads to create your advertisement for recording it. After this, you'll view your iMovie. You might do this multiple times throughout, but you'll edit and proofread your advertisement. So you'll consider your grammar, punctuation, design elements, and languages used in the advertisement once you review the iMovie film. And then the last step will be display the advertisement to other classes and parents. So what will happen is throughout the unit, we're going to create a map. You'll work out the area of your design, and then you'll work out the coordinates of where your ride will sit. So you'll be able to give people these coordinates on the map and have your fellow students and your parents locate your ride on the map. They'll then have the iPad sitting in front of your ride, which you'll be able to play to show them the advertisement you've created. There'll also be an opportunity for anyone who would like to submit their advertisement to Dreamworld. So we really want you to include your prototype, that's the main idea of that, into your advertisement. So Dreamworld will really know what you want to create. Okay. So if you have any questions about this assessment, don't hesitate to ask me at all.